You still on as well?
Yeah.
That's a shame, didn't want to do that to you, fella.
Come on, buddy.
Bugger. Yeah, I don't like doing that. Oh. I think he's in trouble.
Now, weren't they?
Well, he's ratchet now, mate. No bugs.
What sort of sharks are these?
These are silver tips. They're bigger sharks too, these ones than the other here.
Look at them all.
And they're chasing each other now. Oh, geez. I reckon that's over 20 kilo, that,
Spinning.
I reckon it's probably 20 to 25 kilo, that concrete. It's spectacular to see.
Go on, yeah.
Meanwhile,
imagine falling in now.
Shark, man. Shark.
Yeah.
when you put it like that, mate.
Yeah, if you fell in here, you'd have a big day. You get a nice wound on you or something like that. They'll have you for dinner. You'd be gone in seconds.